Hi guys! Today we are learning how to check your Twitch affiliate status. First, unlock your phone and open the Twitch app. Before checking your affiliate status, make sure you're signed in to your Twitch account. The affiliate program has a few eligibility requirements that must be completed first. Let's see where you can check your progress. Before becoming a Twitch affiliate, you need to meet Twitch's eligibility requirements. For example, you must stream regularly, complete the required streaming hours, and build your audience. You can also review the latest affiliate requirements on Twitch's official website. Once you've met the requirements, you can check your account progress. Now tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will open your account page where you can view your channel information. Here you can also see details related to your account and followers. Next, review your follower count. Check your follower count from your profile page. To qualify for Twitch affiliate, one of the requirements is having at least 50 followers. If you haven't reached that number yet, continue growing your audience and streaming consistently. Once you've met the requirement, move on to checking your analytics. Go to the analytics section to review your streaming progress. Here you can check your streamed hours and other performance statistics. If your account doesn't show any streaming data yet, it means you haven't started streaming or don't have enough activity. Compare your progress with the affiliate requirements. After reviewing your analytics, check whether you've completed all the affiliate requirements. If every requirement has been fulfilled, Twitch will notify you when you're eligible to join the affiliate program. If not, continue streaming and growing your channel until all conditions are met. That's how you can check your Twitch affiliate status. And that's how you can easily check your Twitch affiliate status step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.